going on, everybody? Adam Solowitz, welcome back. Today we're going to be making air fried potato chips, barbecue flavored. This is okay, like I said, air fried potato chips, barbecue flavored. This recipe is also plant-based and vegan. Have my handy dandy air fryer right here. So we're going to use this to, of course, air fry the chips. So before we get to that, let's prep our russet potatoes. Okay, so now we're going to get going at prepping our potatoes. So we have a russet potato here, about medium to large. And then we have a mandolin or slicer. And I have it set to cut to about 1/8 of an inch. It doesn't really tell me, but 1/8 of an inch is a good guesstimation. So what we're going to do is we're just going to slice away. And this is about what you're looking at right there. And that's about the perfect thickness and perfect. So we're just gonna keep going. Be careful not to slice your fingers off. All right, and there we have it, 2 russet potatoes sliced. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna head over to the sink. I'm gonna fill this bowl up with water, and we're gonna let the potatoes soak for about 15 minutes because it's gonna pull the starch out. While the potatoes are soaking in water, we're gonna make our barbecue seasoning. Okay, now the potatoes are soaking in water. Like I said, we're gonna make our barbecue seasoning. So I have all the ingredients laid out, and we're gonna put everything in this mason jar, and you're gonna see why in just a minute. So we're gonna start out with some confectioner sugar or powdered sugar, same thing. So we're just gonna dump it right in there. We have smoked paprika, and it has to be smoked paprika. So make sure it's smoked paprika. We're gonna put that in there right now. Garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, white pepper, kosher salt, a few pinches. Now we're gonna take our mason jar lid and we're just gonna tighten it up and give it a quick shake. And now we have our barbecue seasoning. Look at that, very nice. Okay, so we have our russet potatoes here that have been soaking for 15 minutes. And the reason we soak them is so they don't oxidize. And what oxidize means is that they won't discolor or turn brown. So soaking them or submerging them in water helps with that. Not only that, it basically cleans off or removes excess starch from the potatoes. So you just get a cleaner tasting potato. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna drain this water and we're gonna continue to soak them with fresh water for another 15 minutes to make sure that all the excess starch is removed. Okay, there we have it. And as you can see, we have a nice clear water, which tells me that all the excess starch has been removed from the potatoes. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna boil these potatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's a mistake that I see a lot of people make, is not boiling their potatoes before they get put into the air fryer. So let's get them in to the pot of boiling water. Okay, our water is up to a boil. So we're gonna start dropping in the sliced potatoes into the boiling water, just like so. Just lay them in there. And these are gonna cook for 2-3 minutes tops. Once they're done cooking, we are going to strain them and then lay them out on a sheet pan to cool. Okay, so we removed the potatoes from the boiling water and I sheeted them out on a sheet pan for them to cool and get to about room temperature. Okay, the potatoes are cool now, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle them with a little bit of olive oil and some salt, and we're just gonna toss them, just making sure that we coat as much as we possibly can. Okay, so now we're gonna get the air fryer turned on. We're gonna turn it to 375 degrees, and we're gonna preheat it for about 2 to 5 minutes. All right, there we go. Okay, the air fryer is now preheated. We have our air fryer basket. We're gonna take about half of the potatoes and we're just gonna layer them in the basket like so. And we're probably gonna have to fry these in 2 batches. That way they cook evenly and crisp evenly. There we go. Pop open the air fryer, drop it in the basket, close, and we're gonna check these in about 5 to 10 minutes and give them a quick stir to make sure that they're cooking evenly. Okay, now we're gonna check and see how they're doing. Oh yeah, coming up real nice. Don't want to spoil it, but we're just gonna give them a quick toss. Okay, I think they're done. Let's give it a look. Oh yeah, they're perfect. Let's get to tossing these with the barbecue seasoning. Okay, and there we have it. Our air-fried potato chips, barbecue flavored, and they're also, remember, vegan and plant-based. Let's give these bad boys a try. Not bad. Actually, phenomenal. These are great. I'm just gonna sit here and eat them. You guys can talk amongst yourselves. Yeah, they're pretty good. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe. Again, it's that red button. Smash it, hit it. Do what you want with it, but please subscribe to the channel so you can tune in every week for new recipes, tips, and tricks. My name is Adam Solowitz, and as always, eat well. I know I am.